Welcome. In front of me is an LG Q6, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the battery saver, which for me is right over here. Once you tap on it, as you can see, max brightness gets dropped down drastically. As you can see, it's still at 100%, but the actual brightness of the device fell down just substantially. So that's one of the effects that enabling power saving mode will have. Now it will also do a couple of things in the background. As an example, if you use Wi-Fi or mobile network, and once you enable the battery saver, it will disconnect you from both of those when the device goes to sleep. Now sleep is considered this kind of mode, so when you lock it, after a couple minutes it considers itself to be in a sleep mode, at which point it will disconnect from any kind of network. Now once you wake it up again, it automatically reconnects, so don't worry about that one. But just to put that out there, if you're using this kind of mode, you won't be receiving any kind of updates when the power saving mode is enabled, because it is not actually connected to the network during that time. Now the moment you wake it up, everything should sync up as well intended. And once you're done with this mode, all you need to do is tap on the toggle once more to turn it off, and everything will go back to normal. Now that being said, this is how you would enable this mode, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.